My name is Lou Fornarotto of West Coast Restore. I'm the service provider of City Restore products. I've been using it for over 3 years now. I mainly work on construction equipment, so backhoes, bobcats, wheel loaders, forklifts, and then I also work on a lot of school buses. In California, they have a code they have to follow to keep the school buses the proper yellow, and City Restore brings it right back to the original color. So they pass their inspection and without painting, works like a charm every time. I would definitely recommend this product for other companies to start up their own service provider in other areas, or bigger companies that want to do it themselves. I started my own business where I'm able to go to any customer and shine their equipment. The sun fade, the grease, it all comes off and bring it out to brand new.